Hi everyone. So today we will learn how to remove Ollama's model from your PC. First of all, we need to open a command prompt. For that, you need to press Window key plus R key. Now type here CMD, hit the Enter key. Now in the command prompt, you need to type Ollama space list. It will show all the models that you have installed on your PC. You can see I've already installed only one model here. Now to remove it, I need to type Ollama space rm space the model name. In my case, it is SMOLLM colon 135M. After doing so, I need to press Enter key and you can see the model is deleted. Now to confirm this, I need to type Ollama space list, hit the Enter key. As you can see, now nothing listed here. That means that model is completely removed. So I hope you understood how to remove an Ollama's model from your PC. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.